Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's what that pillow is there to remind me to remind you guys. That's where you come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping Truewants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is always a treat because you don't always get the opportunity to get certain brands to reach out to you to get a box to show on your channel. And this is a company that has reached out to me a few times already. So we've seen this box on this channel, and it is one that I really enjoy sharing and getting and being able to share it with you guys. And the box that I'm talking about is called Glossybox. This is a brand that when I first looked at getting into boxes, this was a brand that I was a little nervous to get because it was a UK brand. This brand is a UK brand, which is fantastic about it, but I was always concerned, about bringing it over the border, and if there's, free shipping and all of that, and if there would be any duties. There is none of that. This is a box that is a UK box, but they also have a North American division, and that's where our boxes get shipped out of. So it is free ship. They always are very generous with their codes that they give. So I'll have a link down below where you can get your first box for $16. But they also have that when you sign up, you can get this box as low as $18 all the way up to $21 based on how many months you want to pay for the box. Also, my understanding is with Glossybox, you can reserve that you want it for a whole year, and then they only bill you monthly, so you're not paying ahead for all of it. And their boxes are always beautiful. This is their classic one, but a lot of times during the year they put different boxes in. If you watched my unboxing in December, they very generously sent a box also then, and that was in a tin container. Like I'm saying, it is a really fantastic company, and what I love about them is there's also so many products in here for the price that we're getting. It's a mixture, mostly deluxe sample sizes, but you'll see some full sizes in this as well. It really is fantastic, and the box is definitely a keepsake box. These are, hard shell boxes. The inside is just as beautiful. Before you even open it up, you have a gorgeous tissue paper with all the crinklies inside, a gorgeous ribbon. But as you know, on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to. I take a picture for Instagram, so if you're not following me there, you should. It's Truewants with the number 2. And then I try to remove any excess packaging as well as any of those little safety seals so that I'm not struggling on camera, because as you know, I try to prepare a little bit before I sit down here to share with you guys and we go live. So that is how I do my filming, so that when I'm opening it and sharing with you, it is exactly as if you were opening it for yourself, in front as well. Usually there is a little booklet in here that gives you pricing as well as more information about the products. There was none in it this month. So I went to their website to pull some information down so that we would at least know what was supposed to be in the box, to make sure what was in the box. And it looks like we even got an extra item in the box this month too. So let me go through all that with you, and then we'll take it from there. The other thing I want to tell you is the link, like I said, is down below where you will get a discount, because that's what they do. If they send a box to your channel, they also, give you a link that you're able to then use and share with your subscribers. But I also want to let you know that this is also on Rakuten as well. So if you're not part of Rakuten, then make sure to use that link first and sign up for it, because using my link, you will get an extra $30 on your check, as long as you spend $30 within the first 90 days of pressing the link that is my link here. Then go back in and then go with the link from the description box in, and then you will get that bonus as well there. So it's really fantastic. But if you are part of Rakuten, make sure to go through Rakuten first if you're planning on re-signing up or anything like that with Glossybox, and then go into the link. Like I said, there's always extra ways to get extra dollars back. I have been a member of Rakuten way before I had a channel, but then when you have a channel, you're able to get that link, and then I'm able to share it with you guys so that you can benefit from it as well. There's no extra fees or anything like that. It solely is a cash back for you to do exactly what you would normally do. I'm just finding so many more companies that I was purchasing from that I didn't even know that they were part of it. So I want to make sure that you guys know that Glossybox is part of Rakuten too. All right, so if you're not familiar with Rakuten, they started in Berlin in 2011. So it is really a box that started, you know, in Europe, and then they came into North America and more recently. So really, really excited about that. But what you should also know is that they are also located in 10 countries. So this is a big company. It's also under a larger company that also has other companies, and it also has, in that same large company that also now owns Glossybox, they also own Look Fantastic. But for me, Glossybox is truly a box. And what I love about it is they also do phenomenal limited edition boxes as well. And they are just gorgeous. And I had the opportunity for the first time to get an advent calendar, and it was from Glossybox, and to me it was an absolute home run. And then when you already get the box, you get a discount for those limited edition boxes. But if you're not part of Glossybox, you have access to those limited edition boxes too, just at a little bit more. It'll cost you a little bit more, and I think that's fantastic as well. So definitely go to the link, get onto their website, see what it's all about, because like I said, I had all these ideas of what Glossybox was about, and it was nothing of what it is. And when I start showing you some of the products, you will understand why I get really excited when they send this over to the channel and I'm able to enjoy and then share the products with you guys. So starting with this month's box, they're saying the value of this month's box is going to be around $75. But remember, the first box you can get for $16. And then, like I said, it runs anywhere from, depending on how you want to do it, from $18 a month to $21, and it's free ship in the USA. So the first item that we are going to pull out here is from Blume Daydreamer. It is a super gentle face wash. It's a gentle and lightweight, ultra hydrating, creamy facial cleanser to help kick start your morning routine. And like I said, these are brands that are new to me. And if you know anything about me and my channel, is I love it. It's like exploring and finding out about all these brands and learning about new brands and then getting new favorites. So that is what this looks like here, and this is what the item looks like here. I do not smell any scent on it at all. Like I said, it is a cleanser, but it feels like it's a really nice hydrating cleanser. So excited about that. The next item that we got in here is from this brand called Codex, and this is an Brightening Serum. They're saying it is a firming and smoothing rich facial serum that helps to reverse the signs of aging with a special Antu complex, which is 94% of users agree their skin is softer and more supple after one use. So we'll definitely have to give this a whirl and see what that is all about. So that is what the product looks like. The container looks like there. The color of the product looks like it has a little bit of a yellow tinge to it. That's what that looks like there. I don't smell any scent on that either as well. And we'll have to, a little goes a long way. So when you get these little sample sizes and the fact that they're saying we're going to see results right away, that will be enough for us to know. So excited about that. The next item was one that surprised me, because remember, we're talking about a $16 or even a $20 box. This tool came in here, and this is from the AfterSpa. And they're saying it is a black marble roller. It says, make your serums and your face masks work even harder. This is a facial roller that is designed to increase circulation to your skin. It's perfect if you wake up with puffy eyes. Take a moment to relax and enjoy the cooling sensation as you roll and massage it around your face. The smaller side fits neatly around the nose and mouth, while the large side is great for your cheeks, jawline, and neck. And then this is what the component, it came in this container here, and this is what the component inside looks like here. And it is very cooling to the touch. I have never used one that was marble. It was usually a gemstone, the one that I have. I think it's jade, but this looks stunning. And like I said, I already own one in the jade form, in the jade one, but this looks like it is very similar to what this would do. So really excited about that. The next item in here is a brand that I really enjoy. I have a few products from this brand, but every time I get them in one of the boxes, it's always something new that they've developed. This one here is called the Bunstar, and it says, for many of us, throwing our hair into a bun, it's all part of that morning ritual. This innovative tool from Invisibobble reinvented the bun, no hair ties needed. Wrap your hair into shape and then take the Bunstar and simply twist it into the center until it feels secure. So they have little instructions here. So it's pretty much showing you that all you do is, you know, keep turning and turning and turning your hair, twist it like you would into a normal bun, and then you put this little contraption in, and it's supposed to keep your hair up in a bun. And it looks like we're getting 2 of them, and that is what this looks like here. So always excited to play with new beauty tools. The next item in here is from Philip Kingsley, and this is a really great brand. This one is called the Bond Builder, and it says, protect and strengthen existing bonds and repair your broken ones while instantly sealing split ends for stronger, visible, healthier hair. This formula works on and below the surface of your hair for better, long-lasting results. And this is another UK product, and it is a really expensive hair care brand, and it is one that I've had the opportunity in previous boxes to get and enjoy. So I want to make sure that you guys know about this as well. And with this also, a little goes a long way. And that is what the product looks like there. And this does have a scent to it, and it's a very refreshing scent. And it is so exciting that so many people are going to get introduced to a lot of these brands that we never had the opportunity to before we started getting boxes that are, you know, started in the UK. So like I said, European brands that we didn't have access to the same way a lot of the brands when I lived in Canada, I didn't have access to, that were only in the States. It is just fantastic how globally we get introduced to products through these boxes. We still have more. So the next item in here that I was able to find, and they said on their website, they were giving sneak peeks. And those are the items that were all these sneak peeks. And then they said some surprises. The next one that is in here that wasn't on the site, but was in the box, this is made in Korea. It is a moisturizing foot mask. And it says it's made with a lavender oil. And it looks like it says there's 2 socks inside. And that's what that looks like here. And I love getting products that are made in Korea because everything that they do is so extra pampering. And if you've ever looked at any of the rituals from the Korean skincare lines, they have like about 12 steps for their morning routine. So anything that we can get to try, I think is absolutely fantastic. And then there was this huge package of wipes inside here. And this is from the brand called JULEP. And it says, if you love your bare face, these are brightening cleansing cloths, gently removes makeup and cleanses. It has a licorice extract in here that will help brighten uneven skin tone. And there's 30 towelettes in here. And they're saying they're about 8 by 8 inches, which is huge. So this is a really fantastic product. Can you believe all of this fit in this gorgeous little keepsake box? Like I said, I think this box is an absolute home run. I think everything that they do is their concept around which products they choose to put in here are always fantastic. They're always sharing, you know, new innovative products that I never heard of. We got tools in this box, a lot of skincare, because January is known as the skincare month. So I think that was their theme for this month's box. And like I said, always beautifully packaged. So this is also great to give as a gift as well. And that's everything that I have to share with you about the Glossybox for January, but this is Glossybox US. So if you see other unboxings that say Glossybox, that's the UK box. So make sure if you're looking that you look for Glossybox US, and then you'll know what you're going to receive in your box, because there's usually not any variations. When I'm able to show you what's in the box is what you would get as well. All right. Remember, we have those links, and always check the description box down below, because if I have anything going on or any special deals, I always put them in the description box down below. And that's it for today. So everybody, during this time, it is so important to everyone, please continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. Thank you again to Glossybox for sending this to Truewants, and I'm able to share it with you guys. And that's it for today. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.